Okay, we're going to finish up lesson 8.2. Explain how you would use the following relative frequency histogram to find frequencies of the given classes. Okay, remember that a relative frequency, this is the decimal equivalent of the percent. So in my first class in the blue bar, that is at 0.5, which is 50%. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my decimal 0.5 times 40, and that will give me that I have 20 items in the first set. Actually, I should have done that in blue. I'll try to match up my bars as much as possible. So I'm going to take the decimal times the number of items, in this case 40, and that tells me how many items are in the first class. In my second class, I'm going to take 0.4 times 40, which will give me 16 items in second class. Then the last one is, I guess we'll just do this one in green. 0.1 times 40, which would be 4 items in the third class. Okay, so my explanation is to take decimal equivalent for each class, decimal equivalent times, so I'll write it out, total data items. Do this for each class. Okay, next question. Explain how you would use the following cumulative frequency graph, ogive, to determine the frequency of the given classes. Okay, so remember that cumulative means they're adding from one to the next. So my first class, I'm going to subtract end frequency and beginning frequency for each class. So my first class is 10 minus 0. My second class looks like about 12 minus 10. My third class looks like 16 minus 12. And my last class looks like 18 minus 16. That's how I would find the value for each class in a cumulative frequency. Okay. Next example, explain how you would use the following pie graph to determine the frequency of the given classes. And I have 20 data items. Okay, so this was not drawn exactly right. This should be the center of the circle. 72 should come from the center. All right, so you take the higher, not frequency, higher degree minus lower degree divide by 360 and multiply by total data. Okay, so for blue, it would look like this. 72 minus 0 divided by 360 times 20. Four items. For yellow, I'm going to use green. Actually, I think I can change that to yellow. Let's go here. So yellow would be 270 minus 72 divided by 360 times 20. Would be 11. And then brown, I don't know if I can get a brown. Close enough. Brown would be 360 minus 270 divided by 360 times 20. Five. And as a quick check, these all have to add up to 20. 4 plus 11 is 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay. The results of a survey on the participants' favorite beverage were orange 8, lemon lime 6, root beer 4, and cola 12. Construct a Pareto graph. Pareto graph is a bar graph, highest to lowest. So my highest is cola. Let's see, I go from 4 to 12. Let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So my cola is 12. I'll make a bar. There's cola. My next one is orange at 8.
I have a question.